What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to generate a lot of leads for your business as quick as possible and as cheap as possible. I'm going to skip over all the fluff and get right into building systems. So if I'm going too fast, just pause it, do what I tell you to do, and then continue the video and complete the process. Let's get to it. You guys exactly how to get up to 50,000 leads as quick as possible and as cheap as possible. So let's do this. Here's pretty much what we're going to be building. Workflow that is going to get us 500 leads. You can just set the parameters here. So I just put in 500. You can put in anywhere up to 50,000, and it's $1 per 1,000 leads. So we grab 500 leads, put into fields, right? So you can see all the leads here. Okay, and then we're adding it to our Google Sheets. This is some other steps you could do, but really you just want to add it to Google Sheets, and then yeah, I'm pretty much just making this as quick as possible so you guys can understand a very quick way to get leads. So let's go into this. Essentially what you're going to need to do, okay, is you're going to need to, one, set up a test workflow and you got that done. Then you're going to go to an HTTP request, okay? We're going to use a post method, right? We're going to use a URL, which is going to be apify. So what we're going to do is we're coming to apify here, okay? We're going to go into integrations. We go all the way down to use API endpoints. We want to run the actor synchronously, and then we want to get the data set items. So we're going to copy it, okay? Copy it. We're going to paste the URL here. Then we have to do a few more things. So typically the headers will be off, body will be off. You want to turn both of these on, okay? And for this, you want to do authorization. And you want to do bear and then your API key, okay? So your API key from apify. So it's going to be your key it's going to be like this key. Okay, I don't want to show it all, but that's essentially what the key is going to be. Put that in, okay. You'll put it in right after bear, so API key just goes in right here. Okay, and then you got another parameter. You're going to do application/JSON, okay. Then for the body, we're going to use JSON, and we're going to come back to apify. Okay, we're going to go to input. We're going to go JSON. Okay, we're going to copy this, grab it. We're going to come back here, paste it in. This is going to be where we put our Apollo URL. Okay, so whenever we want to get these leads, we're going to go to Apollo, put in our criteria and everything, copy the URL up here, you can see, and then we're literally just going to paste it in right here. Now you hit run, it's going to run 500 items. It's going to get them. Then we're going to add in an edit fields module. You add in the fields that you want. So first name, last name, title, company name, email, LinkedIn URL, location, website. You add them in, you connect them, then you get the output like this. Okay. You can then add that to a Google Sheets, just append or update row. Okay, so you're going to add a module that's going to be like this. Google Sheets. You're going to go append or update on the sheet. Choose your sheet and select it, and then just have it to map automatically. And then it'll upload all these lists to your Google Sheets, something like this. Okay, I'll add them all into Google Sheets, and you'll have a lot of data there for you to use. So it's very effective, and you can generate a lot of leads from this. So you can scrape over to 120 cents per 1,000 leads. And this is very basic, by the way. There's a lot of things you can do to enrich this and make sure the leads are good quality. This is just a very basic starter. So I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Made this as quick as possible, straight to the point. That's how you get leads very fast and efficiently. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Drop a subscribe if you like this, guys. Drop a thumbs up. And, if you want workflows that are a lot more complex than this and want access to 100+ workflows, join my school community. And yeah, it's in the description below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.